The original Jimmy Jig comparisons. The Jimmy Jig is a patented apertured sliding table saw support platform that weighs in at about 25 pounds and covers approximately 12.5 square feet. It has a fixed stationary rip fence which can be attached at either end, this keeping in mind for left-handed people. It is parallel and square to any cutting blade or tool. It's the only tried and tested innovative fence system that cannot deflect or yaw. It's attached in a way that extends the clamping area on the front edge of the jig. The unique aperture of the Jimmy Jig will also allow for other cutting tools. Attach these to a spare insert. For example, you can use a router or a jigsaw. The insert keeps the surface coplanar at the desired cutting width. Compare the area required for the Jimmy Jig sliding support platform to cut sheet material to 4 foot on center of the cut in relation to a shop setup with permanently mounted out feed and side tables. These setups are in no way portable, as is the case with the Jimmy Jig. Compare the area required for the Jimmy Jig sliding support platform to cut sheet material to 4 foot on center of the cut in relationship to a shop setup with permanently mounted out feed and side tables. These setups are in no way portable. This innovation with a benchtop model table saw and the outrigger is highly portable. It's ideal for a shop, for on-site work, has quick setup, and does not need to be perfectly level. It works on rough ground as the support platform is always flat. All safety aspects are adequately covered to prevent kickback, with upfront placement of these devices either on the fence or supported on an overhead rod, which is preventative in itself as a deterrent to blade contact. The original Jimmy Jig, a simple solution to the table saw's shortcomings. The innovative stationary fence system, copied by many, only to the extent of 25-inch cut. It still has never been perfected. The Jimmy Jig was the original with the fixed and stationary fence. The table saw is the world's most popular woodworking machine, but still potentially the most dangerous to operate.